I have a speech that wasn't written by me as a writer. So if it not sound good, blame Carla. Alright. Why? Alright. Now I want to say, first of all, need you guys to get ready to step into the future with me. Because you know, New Year's Eve, we're going into 2025. You know what I mean? And we have a party together. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know, I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skilly Bang as the prince, my two sons, Little Vibes, Little Addy. Plus we have a lot of cameo appearances. Tommy Lee, Sheba, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can't prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's gonna be an amazing. You know, Joe, spend a lot of time and effort into the events, right? So it's gonna be amazing. So any questions, ask me now and let me know.
Schedule? And no? Let's raise our glasses, ladies and gentlemen. Our official sparkling partner in the middle. Mic check for the world boss, he's not hearing. Could you turn on his mic, please?
I'm not hearing. Oh,
there we
no,
go.
It's on.
There we go.
Check, check. Like assassin. I know. So this is what, Remy Martin. This is what's gonna get the party starting. I'm Bel-Air. I've been away for more than 10 years. Cheers, bossy. Cheers. Of course. Exactly. So this is one of the sponsors, Remy Martin and Bel-Air. So you know you're gonna have an amazing experience at this party. Can we drink now, Carla? Take a sip?
Yes, you may.
Okay, just all right. Yeah. Somewhere in the world it's nighttime, so we can.
Yeah, man.
Bleach. So on Black Friday, we will have a 50% off on the tickets for Gaza Nation. Yes. In the bleacher. What a choice. Because I'm stop bleach
50%.
for 50% off for the bleachers. Weird, right? But funny because it's true. So Black Friday, remember this, vibe starter for the Gaza fans then. I will represent for poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We across all demographic, but we have to represent for poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? Black bleachers. The teachers.
a surprise, right, World Boss? And I'm gonna allow you to do what you do best and give them a surprise.
All right, now, people, we're launching the new Street Vibes Raw. Remember, from Street Vibes, don't take it up. Why? From Street Vibes to Straight Vibes, we have 4 flavors. We have the Ramping Shot, we have the Unstoppable, we have the Fever, and guess what the last one? Electric. So, this is Raheem and he'll explain more to you guys. Go ahead.
Morning everybody. Now Angostura is very happy to be appointed the co-packer, the producer and the global master distributor for the Straight Vibes brand of rum. Now let me tell you a little bit about Angostura. We are a 200-year-old company this year. 200 years, Adi. Big number.
I know.
And with 200 years comes quality production. Now, I will say a little bit about the quality, but I want also add it.
Yes.
We have been testing this for the past month or so, and we have been overly testing it for the past few days. So, true that. When it comes to our production and our quality, we are fully ISO certified at all levels, from the lab, the factory, production. We have what you call a wastewater treatment plant that has been fully commissioned a few years ago. Significant investment that allows us to pour clean waste into the environment, meeting all environmental regulations. If you look at the waste, it's as clean as water. You can get confused as if it's a discharge from a plant or if it's actual water. Now, Angostura has been on the forefront of premium rums since 200 years ago. We have won over 200 international awards for the rums that we create. We are also distributed in 176 countries worldwide. 176 since the relationship and the appointment by the Straight Vibes team. So you know where this rum going? Where? 176 countries globally. Now when we go on, we really have some amazing accomplishments at Angostura. Locally, we have won the Manufacturer of the Year award twice, which is no easy feat. Now when the Straight Vibes rum team came to Trinidad, I could tell you the due diligence and the assessment and the rigorous assessment that was done before they appointed Angostura. This was not an overnight selection. We went through a testing process, multiple exams. I got tired. I myself flew up here to present to Cartel, and in September, I passed the test.
Of course.
Yeah? So, and we were appointed. Now there are a lot of people that work on this project, and I would like to take the time not to miss the opportunity sleeping somebody working on this. Right? I would like to thank our chairman, right to the stage front, Mr. Terrence Barrett SC.
Life is so crazy. Every man have a dream, and I like here. Every day can be the same. You know, and stop it, run away.
Can I say something? And people, like I said, with this rum, it not only represents a new brand, Vibes Cartel. It not only represents a new collaboration with me and the Angostura team, it also represents change. It also represents maturity, just like the rum. It represents resilience, and it represents family, like the Down Sound team, Scatter, Joe, Gaza Nation fans. Because it's not just about the hype. Vybz Kartel bring the hype, right? But Angostura bring the quality. You understand? And it brings family. It's about the man who sweep the distillery. It's about the woman who packages the rum. It's about the designer who makes the labels. It's an entire family project. So it's not just about, oh, Kartel and no. The quality is there. So Kartel bring the hype, Angostura bring the quality. And yeah, and a lot of people benefit from this product because it's made by family. So big up the entire Angostura team, big up the entire Trinidad team, and big up the entire Jamaica team. From CPJ, to Segra, to Angostura, to Kartel, we start with. Trust me. So I just wanted people to know it. And also, it represents change in Eva Vybz Kartel as a person. Because I'm sure, as you all know by now, I'm engaged to my fiancée. Exactly. One time, I was at Gallus, now I have one burner. So it represents maturity, as the rum does. It represents change, it represents quality, and it represents family. And then got Freedom Street. The street vibes. Not street vibes. I will not do the street thing again. We're mature and we have to do the street vibes. So, this is it. Cheers to everyone. It's a change. And to my fiancée. She's prettier than Beyonce. So that's definitely in the name.
Specifically, any continent?
No, well, the first continent we go into is actually Asia, because we have bookings for Europe. So we're doing Asia first, then South America, then we do the Caribbean route. However, represent for the Caribbean. So that's it.
All right, here, one question per person.
So yeah, we already know that you want to do Cardi B collab, and we know that you want to do a Drake collab.
Yes.
And everybody overseas give them mad respect.
Yes.
Does Freedom Street have any, or those foreign interests coming to Freedom Street?
Yes, but I don't want to jump the gun. But I will say this: a lot of world-renowned rappers will be there, passing through. Because as Joe said, the show is Vybz Kartel's return. After 12 years, 10 months, 6 days, 14 hours, and 12 minutes.
Who's counting?
But who's counting? So definitely, but there will be rappers here, world renowned. So the people can expect pleasant surprises alongside prizes. Yes.
Vybz Kartel and friends in concert, absolutely, I see ya.
You could say that. You could say that because a lot of them are going to pass through. But I want the people to know this. It's a Vybz Kartel event. So we run out, we DJ some song, the favorite songs by me and my what do you call it? The usual suspects, they will be there. So you can expect the Sheba, expect the Tommy Lee, expect the Popcorn, expect everyone that you know and love through Vybz Kartel and through Portmore Empire. Entire. Yes.
All right, we
Yeah.
are.
books.
Yes, but definitely we have the t-shirts, we have the jeans, we have the cups. So all the ladies that love to go to the gym will have the cups, the Down Sounds cup, the Vybz Kartel cups. So you can take it to the office, you drink your coffee in it. If you're at the party, you drink your straight vibes rum in it. If you're at the Kim, you drink your protein shake. So the merchandise will be up and it's high quality. I'm big up Justin from Trinidad because he's one of the persons that's representing, he made the website, which is Vybz Kartel World, which is also where you go and get tickets. Vybz Kartel World. Go on that website, you can get merch, you get tickets. So we're representing through the internet, which is the new enterprise right now. So yes, the merchandise will be there. So you can check it out. You're not going to every store, from Mobile to Kingston to Portmore. I will support you. Don't? Oh.
Oh. Any other questions? Any other questions?
And of course, when we see the flags at the Freedom Street concert.
Yes, they're going to be at the event. And it's something no other room can prevent. Because remember, we represent for the Angostura family. Like it's a family thing. Remember, it's being kept on New Year's. Jamaica people usually would have got church, ringing the New Year. So that's actually going to happen at Freedom Street concert. We're going to have prayers and people are going to come and pray, bless the crowd, bless the union, bless us going into the future, into 2025. And trust me, we will have the flask. But this will be first and the flask may be last. But it will be there. Yes. Like I said, we don't want to jump the gun, but I've got a lot of offers from US, from Canada, from UK. As a matter of fact, Live Nation, which is a wireless festival, which is one of the biggest festivals in the world. I'm doing it next year in the United Kingdom. We're supposed to do Queens in America and maybe Canada. I'm not sure about the Canada 100%, but definitely America and definitely UK. So we will be there in 2025. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes. You want to? Mike, Faith for the boss. This, hello? Yeah, this one.
It will be streaming. I'm not sure about Jamaica,
Yes.
but when we sell out officially, it'll stream in Jamaica.
As a matter of fact, amazing question by the way.
Thank you.
So, we're coming out in the Jersey,
Right.
cartel box jersey,
That is it.
do-rap, fitted, Air Force, yes. So we're coming out chronologically with the teacher. They will come out with Black Cartel. They will come out with the Warrior Angel. That is the party near Mofado, which is one of the biggest food in Jamaica. Then we go to the World Boss with it. You understand? And then we go to the cartel that was incarcerated but highly rated. So it will be chronological and it will be dated. So you're right.
Bless it up.
Yeah, man. Big up.
All right, another
Yeah.
What's the question again?
Parking, the shuttle servers, etc.
Okay, well, Hero Circle will be a place where you can park safely. There's about 4 or 5, actually, Mr. Palmer is the one that actually deals with the parking, but we have it covered in terms of a lot of security, a lot of cameras, and a lot of service. The shuttle buses will be going regularly at 5 of these parking places, and everything's going to be good.
Yes. Talk far. Just come on, come see the star. Oh.
TJ TV. I know Vybz Kartel is known internationally, and we have seen some persons on social media say that they're going to fly down. Can you tell us if we can expect any international acts flying in for the event?
Yes, definitely. International acts will be there. But like I said, I don't want to jump the gun, but trust me, we can call one name now. I'm a brethren through the years, like for over 15 years, Busta Rhymes will be there. And Canadian rappers will be there. Exactly, read between the lines. So, exactly, and female rappers will be there as well. So it's going to be an amazing event. So the foreign people, they will come out, they will come represent for Cartel. And big up yourself, Mr. Spencer. Yeah, I years me know you as well. Big up yourself. Big up AJTV. Yeah, other liquors will be there, but this is official.
No, like other liquor, they'll come with other liquor, like, you know, that.
Oh, like in my brand?
Yeah.
Well, I can't speak of that, no.
Yeah.
Me and the Angostura team, we TJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't speak of that, no. But what I will say, this is the official run for the party.
Yeah.
And more importantly, we need the people them to come out because it's going to be an amazing event. The stage, the lighting, the production. The sun has to walk on top.
That is it.
It's tough like a yes. So trust me, it's going to be an amazing experience. Cause you know, sorry, when the Down Sound team put in the production effort,
Come on, get at it.
kiss me, baby.
That is it.